Hi, this is Larry Crowder. I'm Science Director for the Center for Ocean Solutions, and I would like to welcome you to our 2014-2015 annual report. The Center for Ocean Solutions is a unique academic partnership. Our purpose is to bridge the science to policy world and try to bring better science to the policy decisions which are now so pressing. Our partners in the Center for Ocean Solutions include Stanford Woods Institute for the Environment, the Hopkins Marine Station, the Monterey Bay Aquarium, and the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute. We also work with resource managers, scientists, other collaborators in institutions, with non-governmental organizations, with the whole community of people who are looking to solve problems in the oceans. One of our strengths at the Center for Ocean Solutions and that of our partners is in genetics. The innovation that we're looking at is taking water samples, extracting the DNA from the water samples, and using that to describe the large animals, the vertebrate animals in the ocean ecosystem, and understand more about their distribution and abundance relative to oceanographic features. Another case study that we're quite proud of is we put together a team to address the emerging challenge of deep sea mining. What we were able to do was put together a pretty compelling paper that was published in Science, and we were able to time it so it came out the week before the International Seabed Authority met, and as a result we were able to have a really large effect on their deliberations. We're really excited about our recent work in fisheries. Recently we've been working with California Fish and Wildlife on implementation of something called the Marine Life Management Act. Our team has provided input on the science side but also on the legal and policy side to try to frame ways to move ahead. The other area that we're addressing in fisheries are small-scale fisheries that occur around the world. They're important because 90% of the people who fish in small-scale fisheries. And so trying to figure out how to help communities with really limited resources fish more sustainably and how to preserve the environment that produces the fish that communities depend on. The other half of our mission is equipping the next generation of people to do this work. We do that in a couple of ways at the center. One is our early career fellows that come from a whole variety of disciplines but work in interdisciplinary teams on challenging problems. And then we also run something called the Marine Program, which provides interdisciplinary education and training to all of the universities around the Monterey Bay area. We're very proud of what's happening at Center for Ocean Solutions. We hope you enjoy our annual report. We're doing very exciting research, some way out in front of the problems and trying to work out fundamental principles, and others that are quite close to solving problems that we're facing in the oceans. It's a really good time to be working in oceans because there's a lot that can be done to navigate into new waters for the ocean that are more sustainable and productive and supportive for communities that depend on ocean resources.